Howdy, I'm Flowey, Flower to Flower. Welcome back to the channel. If you know what Flappy Bird is, then you've probably failed on it a bunch of times and raged quit. So today, we get to crush him. That was a little loud. Yeah. If you have played Flappy Bird, then you know the stupid bird always never goes through the pipe when you make a jump. And if it does, it always ends up hitting the ground afterwards. So today we get to crush it over and over and over. Oh god. No, that one came back to life. No, that's no fair. No. Blood on. What's this? Many? They're both. No. Bloop. 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 Imagine playing Flappy Bird inside a door, the pipe crushes you. uh, uh, yeah. This is very majestic. Huh. But, 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 but. Crush it on the birds that coming to my side. Do, crush it on the birds. Do. Oh, he ruined the song. Crush it on the birds. Crush it on the birds. Crush it. Ah! Ooh, in the forest. The squirrels can be witnesses. Woo. Boo. Their eyes in the background. They get so surprised to see the birds get crushed. Wouldn't this be illegal? It'd be crushing a bunch of birds that are probably near extinction now. I mean, I've killed more than a poacher probably has in a week, so... No! So is there electric one that gets out? Polar bear, can you come eat the birds for me? Is that not possible? Blink, blink. I get it between the friggin' pipe. Die, 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 and 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 die. The boat is down there just piling up. It's very, very slowly. Blam. Blammy blam. Look out, 275. Huh. You guys should try this game out yourself. It's a little more fun than just watching someone. Oh dear God. Oh, that's what these things down there are for. Okay. 24 fire. Yeah. Yeah. What? Lockdown 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh God. Dear God. You poor creatures. This polar bear seen something. uh, the, crushing the birds, do, crushing the birds, do, crushing all of the birds. I've used every single power in one day. Interesting. I did not like the noise that was making. No! Oh, extreme mode unlocked. Two-player, huh? Even though there's only one of me. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Dear frick, good God. Red wind. Bird mode. Wait, does this mean? Yep, that's Flappy bird for you. What is this ad for? Skip. Yeah, get that off the screen. Move that. Normal. Die. Die. To die. To die. To die. To die. And die. And die. And die. 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 No. What if I just do this? No, no. Okay, that's gonna be this for now. Wait, what's this? Okay, anyway, ooh, wait, what is? I want this. I want. Buy it. Okay, never mind. That's enough for this today, Flappy Rush. See you guys next time. Bye.